Alright friends, they're gonna draw frog prints.
Yeah, one with a crown. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. And we're using our markers to draw with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
These are not weapons. These are our markers, but we can pretend
They're drawing weapons.
Drawing weapons. Okay.
For your nails.
No, don't draw on my nails. All right, we're gonna first start by drawing our frog's mouth, and I'm gonna draw a funny W for the mouth in the middle of our paper. We could draw it maybe right about here. Yeah, and then let's draw an eye. I'm gonna draw one over here on the left, and the same size circle on the right. And then let's draw the highlights too. We always like to make our eyes look shiny. So we draw a smaller circle in the top left, and then we can color in the big circle. That part we sped up.
You can pause the video if you need more time.
Yeah. Next, let's draw our little frog's eyebrows. And we're gonna draw bumps that go over each eye, and I come down further on the side, but not as far down on the middle. Yes, and then the same on the other side. And then we're going to connect our little frog eyebrows together.
Aren't these the lumps?
The little bumps over the eyes.
I'm not sure frogs have eyebrows.
Yes, I don't think they do. That's just what I call them because I don't know what else to call these little bumps. Now we're going to draw the frog's body. We're going to come down and then we're going to curve in on the left and then we're going to match on the right. And I love that you're matching the same thing as me. You could also flip and always draw the first thing on the right and then you can match on the left. That's because you're left-handed.
Yeah.
So you know how I always start on the left side and draw that first and then draw the right. Let's make mine more challenging and we can make yours simpler. Let's connect yours at the bottom all the way across. We're going to draw the front feet or legs, front feet first. Let's draw two lines that come out like this. I started going in. But first, draw two that are close together, but they kind of go out at the bottom. And then we're going to connect in between these with three little bumps for the toes, the webbed feet. And then I'm going to draw that same thing over here so we can have two front feet. And then I'm going to connect them. I love how little your feet are. And then connecting in between just like you did at the beginning. So see how my legs
Connected again.
Oh yeah, there you go. My two little feet look like they're in front of the belly, and I love that yours are coming out from the bottom. Now I'm gonna repeat that same step for the back feet. So we're gonna add two more lines going out, and then we're gonna connect with a wiggly line, and then I'm gonna repeat over here on this side. It looks like a little triangle shape. That's awesome.
Feet triangle.
Feet triangles. And then let's draw.
It's to help him swim.
Yeah, we're gonna draw another one over here.
Another triangle.
Another triangle. Those are the best little back feet I've ever seen. And then, now let's draw the belly. We're gonna draw an upside down U in between the two front feet. Yes, okay, now let's draw the lily pad that our frog is sitting on. I'm gonna start here, and we're gonna draw a curve that comes around and then comes almost all the way over to the other side. And then we're gonna draw a little split. We're gonna draw, yes, and then we're gonna keep going. You already knew what we were gonna do, and then we'll connect that. Now our lily pad needs a flower. Well, let's start here, and we're gonna draw two curves, one coming out each direction. So we'll go up and then one kind of going to the right. Yeah, and then we'll connect back in on each side. These are the first two petals for our flower. And then let's draw the middle. And then we can draw two more little bumps on each side for the petals that are on the back. All right, we're gonna add another plant to our lily pad that's usually in a pond or a swampy area where frogs like to live. And these are called cattails because they look like
little cat.
Yeah, cattail. Yeah. We're gonna draw two lines coming up or curves coming up from our lily pad.
I would call them poodle tails.
Poodle tails?
Because the tails are kind of like skinny and then they get like puffy.
Yeah. It also looks like hot dogs to me. I'm gonna call them hot dog.
yummy.
Yeah, I'm gonna call them hot dog plants. We're gonna draw a letter U on each plant that are the same size to match. And then we're gonna draw 2 lines going up from each side. Yeah,
Hot dog plant.
hot dog plants. And then we're gonna connect the top with a curve.
Hot dog.
Yeah, and then let's draw another little spike coming out of the top of each plant.
You mean corn dog?
Oh yeah, it does look like a corn dog now because it has a stick, right?
Upside down. Corn
Don't
dog.
eat these; they're really gross.
And then let's add a little swirly line.
Oh, for
and then
ketchup?
we can put another swirly line for mustard.
Mustard.
Then we cut, a side with
Fries.
mustards and mustard fries, and then we can put other side with some delicious flowers, and then we can put some on the top. We can put some stick bread, which I don't know what that is, but it looks like bread that sticks. So
Okay, well maybe we'll have a barbecue later. But what's our frog missing?
a hat.
Yeah, a hat, the crown.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's missing its crown. It's the
I
frog
just
prince.
said a hat.
A hat.
I forgot that we're drawing a frog prince.
You could change it to a different hat. It could be a baseball hat or yeah.
Hair.
Yeah, you could give your frog some hair. Let's draw an upside down V right in the middle. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming up on each side. And then I'm going to connect it. So I kind of drew the side lines too short. So there we go.
It
So,
kind of looks like
Oh.
the mouth.
yeah, you could add another zigzag there too if you want. It does look like a W for the mouth. You could go down and back up. There you go. And then connect it. Yes, that's an awesome crown. And what else is our drawing missing?
A cookie.
No. It's missing the colors. This part we're going to fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. And add a cookie, I guess, if you want. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our frog prints, and I especially love your cute one, those little legs, and also the cute cheeks you added.
Thanks. I like your burnt corn dog.
Me too. Now I'm hungry. Now our friends can pause the video right now to match our coloring, or
You can color any way you want.
yeah, and you could also add,
A background.
yeah, you could add more frogs, or you could even add the princess getting ready to kiss the frog. Would you kiss a frog?
No. We hope you have fun drawing a frog prince with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.